Alright, good morning. We're off on a ride today. It's the Ride of the Ruperts, as you can tell by the title. Anyway, yes, going to meet some others up, hopefully, down there. It's over 200 bikes this year. Sounds like quite a lot. I thought I'd take the sidecar. The R80 is not good at slow speed, so I don't want to take that at slow speed. Too heavy on the clutch. This one's got a nice light clutch. It was either this or the Cub, and I thought, as this is local-ish, and I don't get many more chances to use the sidecar, I don't think, this year. So yeah, off we go. Tune back in when we get there. You alright, mate?
Fucking hell, bro.
I know.
How you doing, man?
Yeah. That's a nice one as well.
You want E5, bro, not E2.
Oh, I've only got to put a little bit in, I don't care. This is it's Russian, it's meant to run on anything. Right then, so I did 28 miles, I think. So let's see how much I put in. Better look. 3.70 litres. Okay, I'll work that out later. Mixture of riding 3.7 litres of £5.3. Need to put the oil in. How much do I need? 4 litres, 88 mil.
Where's all the stickers?
Couldn't see through the screen.
And all the SBBA ones on there?
There's still got the SBBA one on. It's not on the screen, it's on the sidecar.
You could have baffled, nearly killed someone last time it came out.
So I've drilled it and put some extra bolts in there now. But it came out on me, do you know that? Sidecar, yeah, alright. Well, just in front of them. Lovely. I've never done this ride before, so I'll see how it goes. Loads of bikes here today. Oh, nice BMW there. Where's the rest of it?
His Union Jack top. John is an absolute star. Steve Willis, the boss. But in truth, we have raised £56,000.
Firstly, like Steve, I want to say a huge thank you to all of you for the amazing fundraising that you're doing, and I hope you have a really great ride today.
There we go, right. Ride of the Ruperts. our 100. Nice R100. Cool. Right then, Ride of the Ruperts, off we go, and I'm stuck behind some cars. Lovely jubbly! I can't really wave at people. I have to kind of like be accelerating a little bit to wave at people. We're going too slow to wave at people. I have to get the right speed right, otherwise I get the old death wobble. So I have to choose my times to I have to pick my moments to do a wave. Right then, I've got Rride in the car now. My ballast. Thanks for lending me your girlfriend, Callum. Right, it will do this a bit, but don't worry about that.
Oh my god!
Yes, it's alright.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You okay? You want to get out?
She's alright.
Not only today, but at the Hot Run and also at the Heritage Strip.
And I'm off home now. Yeah, that was a nice little event, you know, for charity and all that. I say it's like, you know, whatever, but that's a fun day still, you know. Out the house just after 7, 3 o'clock now. Won't get back until probably 3:30. Probably 3:30. Yeah. So yeah, not been a bad day at all. So yeah, check out Ride of the Ruperts, I guess, in support of Whiz Kids, which is yeah, wheelchair kids things. I'll put some links down below. If it interests you. I was supposed to set up like a, you know, like a fund me page and stuff, but I did it so last minute I didn't do anything for it. But yeah, you can set up, there was prizes given for like a person who raised the most money, so it's like I would, you know, make an account or whatever, and people would sponsor me for whatever, you know, and then it would all go to the charity, so you're trying to raise money for Whiz Kids as well. Not a bad little day out. Right. Right then, let's see if this bike will get me home.